Hey, Greg Spindler here. I get asked a lot of questions about how do you get your practice to be up to the successful standards that you want for yourself. And I think we have to be honest with ourselves about where we're at. So you want to assess yourself. What's your skill level and what's your performance level? Now, your performance level has to do with your energy. You know, how you're energized every day when you go into work. How do you meet and greet somebody? How do you listen to your clients? Is your energy level lower than your clients? Are you right with them, or are you one step above them? And I would suggest that you be one step above. If you're 10 steps above their energy level, you will scare them off. So you want to be able to have that interaction to where you can read them to be just up a little bit so you don't scare them off. But you also want to be better than they are at that state, because they're looking for your energy to help lift them up. That also comes underneath your health. Where are you with your health? Where can you improve with your health? Are you at the best that you can be? So rate yourself with your skills. If you're just out of massage therapy school, your skill level is going to be down here in this low area. You've got to put the hours in and the time in to work your way up. Now, for me, I was lucky enough to start with my skill level maybe at the medium area when I first got out of school, because I received a lot of therapy sessions before I went to massage school, meaning I was out there understanding what good was or great was because the amount of therapy sessions I got from a variety of different therapists before I even went to school. So I knew what good was before I even went into school. So you've got to be honest with yourself. You can ask your clients, give them a survey for them to fill out and where you can improve. And that'll hit home a little bit, but that's the best way to get better. So you can see where the most successful is going to be up here with this performance being high and the skills being high. So you can't really rush this, but you got to start working that. So how do you get there? By associating yourself with other therapists that are along the way further in their careers than you are. Hang around better therapists than you are. Learn from them. Take workshops. Go to conventions. That sort of thing. Here, self-improvement. Improve your energy. Improve your health. I can write spiritual health on here. All that sort of thing transcends into this increase of working your way up. And when you get up here, this is success. But guess what? Once you get that up there, this whole block starts all over again. There's never an ending point. I hope this helps you. Good luck. Contact me. I look forward to seeing you in our classes. These are the types of things that we talk about during lunch breaks and at the end of classes on how we implement our modality into the practice. Have a great day.